This class is very nice and I felt very good. Sir was very much friendly and it was very nice, and I would like to have more classes in the future also.
Nice sessions. It was very helpful. Everyone should have this opportunity for having this session. Sir was very frank with everyone, and yeah, I would like to have another session.
Class very much. I enjoy this class very much, and I am requested sir to take this class again, and I am very thankful sir to this give us this opportunity to speak with us and motivate us. Thank you.
It was a very nice opportunity, and thank you sir for giving us such a nice opportunity to us, and I am very much thankful to sir that he gave us such a nice opportunity, and thank you sir.
My name is Sunny Sahani, and from this session I've learned a lot, and I feel motivated, much motivated to do my work more consistently. And
now you look like you have a white beard.
louder.
This class was very helpful to us. We get so much knowledge from this class. Sir was very good. Sir was very helpful also, and we request sir to take another class with us. Thank you.
I am Farhan Ahmed of class 9, and I am very thankful that I have get opportunity to do this class, and I am very much confident that I will do very much things in future. Thank you.
My name is Tausif Umar. I am of class 10 of Chowringhee High School, and the workshop was very good. It helped me to plan my future. Thank you.